A loss triangle is a powerful actuarial tool. Origami makes creating loss triangles easy. You create a triangle just like any other report, selecting loss triangle as the report type. Here we see one that has already been created. You have the normal report information at the top. You can filter your claims, or in this case, I'm generating a triangle with every claim in the system. Specifying a grouping will generate a separate triangle for each grouping. So here I'll get a triangle for every major coverage. The additional options for triangles are important. You can select a policy period to group your claims. This produces the rows in the triangle. We'll discuss creating policy periods in another video. Or you can let Origami create periods for you automatically. If you select Use Auto Periods and specify the starting period date as 6/1 and a period length of 12 months, Origami will create annual periods starting on 6/1. You can specify when you want the triangle to end by setting a last valuation date. Our 2009 data is not yet complete, so we'll end this one at the end of 2008. The other triangle-specific options are the starting month and the month increment. These determine the columns for your triangle. In this case, we'll see the initial development of claims 6 months later, and then in 12-month increments after that. Finally, you can use loss limiting to prevent large losses from skewing the development factors. We'll discuss loss limiting in another video. Due to their complexity, triangles are the only reports in Origami that must be saved before running. You then click Run Report, and the triangle will generate. Generating a triangle is not instantaneous, but in Origami they are blazing fast. Origami also saves triangle data, so if you've run it recently, you don't have to regenerate the data unless you want to. Origami will tell you when the data was last generated. So here you see the loss triangle. You see incurred, paid, and claim counts by the automatic periods with the specified month increments. Because we grouped by major coverage, a drop-down for coverage appears in the upper right. One of the powerful uses of loss triangles is the ability to create projections. Origami will do that for you. You can select what type of average to use and what to show. You then click Apply Options. You see Origami has supplied the projections in blue. A column was added for the next monthly increment, incurred but not realized, and for the projected ultimate incurred. And if you want to export this data to Excel, Origami makes that easy as well. I can export just this data, or by clicking Export All, I will get all data and all groupings, formatted beautifully. Each major coverage is in its own tab. So you see how easily Origami brings the power of loss triangles to your fingertips.